What?
Waterfall!
Go, where is it?
Up there!
Wall Preserve up in Landrum, South Carolina. Ollie, what do you know so far?
There, we are somewhere over here. There's a waterfall and a loop, about 0.7 of a mile. And there's 2 ponds. So by the second one, you can go and do like a little loop.
All right, we need the
See
You Are
waterfall?
Here. Where's the You Are Here button?
I don't know.
You don't know.
There's a bridge. There's no You Are Here.
Tallulah's on her first big hike. You up on that rock, Tallulah? Come on, don't jerk. Ready?
No, hold on to that leash.
So there is no You Are Here, but there is a parking.
Hold on,
So I
let her
think
jump.
we're either right here.
There you go.
Dad, she jumped by herself. So we're right here.
Okay, I kind of forced
I
that.
think we're trying to go
All right, come on,
down.
Toulouse.
First bridge, welcome to Conference sign. Across the creek again.
I know. I know. I see boys.
After the second kiosk, you start the climb. Ollie's climbing, and he's going, and he's not going. I hear him. I hear him. Boy and his puppy. And a spitter. Oh, first pond. Ruddy, why are you hanging over the edge? Ruddy, dude, that's where the salamanders and the snakes live.
Oh, good boy.
Mom, come on.
Okay, if I must.
There's a little creek.
And my people, I don't know what my people do.
Oh, wow. That was, you found a habitat.
They found a habitat apparently. So, okay. So I guess one of the things that I appreciate is the fact that the boys have Amy's. You can see them. No fear of crevices or cracks or hillsides or creatures. I like to see them, but I don't like to dive into the things like they do. They're down in some kind of crevice under trees looking for salamanders and snakes. And I appreciate that they got that from her. So our adventures have taught them that. I guess I'm the big scaredy cat, but I'll stay here holding everything, as you see, a purse and a bag and a brand new puppy here. But maybe they'll find something.
I got this.
Hold on, please. Wait for him.
Should be interesting watching these people get back up the side of this cliff they climbed down.
I'll go.
Because I don't want to fall on you.
Okay, one's up.
There we go.
All right, Ollie.
You want to do it yourself?
Ollie, take the pup up.
Yep, I got the pups.
Okay, clear area for your other people. Come on, Rut, climb that mountain.
Come on, Rutledge, climb that mountain. Come
Ollie,
on,
move.
Rutledge.
Move that way, please, so they have room. Oh, number 2. Come on, pull yourself up. There you go. Number 2's up.
Number 3.
Number 3 is, we'll pick her up later. She's going to keep exploring.
Show them where to go.
All right, I think we're at the pond. All right, we're coming up on the second pond. And here we go. Waterfall loop.
Y'all go stand there. When she's 100 pounds, she's going to do that. Y'all go stand by the sign?
No, when she's 100 pounds, I don't think I have to do that. Whoa, Dad, look, the lake, we're at the lake.
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, they left me, but I heard, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. What?
Waterfall.
Go, where is it?
Up there. Yeah.
Your mom peeks for snakes.
Yeah, get in.
How cool is it? Whoa, that's a little chilly. I kind of want to slide from up there. I get pee.
Ooh,
Getting up there is the problem.
No, over it's a little chilly.
sit in it.
Here, it's cold.
Yeah, you feel it. Come on, you feel it. Not ready. My hands. Ooh, that's quicksand.
We have made it to the waterfall.
Come here, Tallulah.
A hammock is assembled.
Come here, baby.
Oliver's chilling over there on the, can you see him? Sorry, lost him. Where is he? There he is.
Check the way.
Eating. We picked up Chick-fil-A breakfast and got some extra biscuits to bring for lunch.
Come here, baby. Come here, baby.
Tallulah is loving it. Rutledge is loving it.
Come here.
She's trying to figure out how to climb. Rutledge is apparently a Yeti.
Come here. Come here. You're fine. You can do it.
And as you can see, just chilling by the waterfall.
Come here. That's why I love it. We're close to Saluda. Wow,
Yeah.
we're really close to the border.
Yeah, the trail goes back and forth across the border. Whoa, right, do a flip. Do it. Flip over.
Flip over.
You got this, little gymnast.
I can.
It'll.
Okay, let me try.
All right, show me that flip. Do it. Come on.
I need a rock to help me get up.
No, you got it. Pull your feet up. There you go. Now put them through and roll over.
Roll over like you do.
Or hang your legs over. So we loved our time at the Blue Wall Nature Preserve. During the first part of the quarantine, it was one of the few places that was actually open for hiking. All in all, it was probably around 2-mile hike up around the 2 lakes and up to the waterfall. We had a great time. I really suggest grabbing lunch, going up, having a picnic. You can easily do it in a day trip. The boys loved it. It was great weather. And you should check it out too. Let us know if you got any questions. Give us a little thumbs up, like and subscribe, and hit that comment button and let us know what you think. Have an awesome one.